Small update. I've been doing a couple other projects here in the house, actually. One car related, one not at all. I was actually able to install a garage door opener in my car garage, which is awesome. That way I can not have to manually open it every time. So not really car related, but just giving you guys an update as to what I've been up to. Haven't uploaded in a little while. So I just want to be transparent with you guys. Also, ripped out some carpeting in my house and installed some hardwood floor. So not hardwood, but laminate. Still a little bit of a mess right now, but you guys can see it. So as you guys can see, we went with a gray laminate. It took about a whole weekend to rip up the carpeting, install the laminate. Was actually not as bad as I thought, but not really car related. So back to that, we're gonna go ahead and get everything going right now. All right, guys. So we just got here. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the GoPro so we can get it, get the project started. So yeah, I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started. We're going to jack up the car, drain the oil, just like we would with a typical oil change. We're going to go ahead and then install the oil cooler, and then fill everything back up with oil, and then I'll take it from there, guys. Alright guys, update. Got the bumper off. Kind of measuring up the oil cooler where it's going to sit behind the front mount. Draining the oil right now. Hey guys, ran into a small complication with the oil cooler. I have a factory oil cooler that will not allow for the install of the sandwich plate. That's the issue that I ran into in the video. Got in contact with Mishimoto just because it never stated anything like this for the 06 WRX that I have. I guess the STIs all years are fine, and the WRX from 02 to 05 is fine because that cooler line is not basically it doesn't come off the cooler going downwards. I'll insert a video or a little picture into the video so you guys can see what I'm saying. But yes, so I couldn't install the oil cooler again for the second time, which is awesome. Just did a standard oil change. I will be going back after Mishimoto gets back in touch with me and probably doing another oil change. That way I can install the oil cooler. What else for an update? I got a revision for the WRX for the tune. Adding some more boost for it, so that's awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and get that going, and then maybe we'll take a spin for the car and see how it's feeling. I think Franz said that he bumped it up from about 13 pounds to 18, 19 pounds of boost, so that should be pretty exciting. I'm pretty excited for that. Should be pretty fun. Finally making some power now on the car, and we'll kind of see where that is, how that's feeling. I'll take you guys along with me for the first ride, so it should be pretty exciting. Alright, we'll be back. That feels really good. So still hitting, it's still pegged out the AFR, it's still super rich. It still went down to 10. I don't know if it evened out. I kind of stopped looking, but we're gonna maybe try a little pull. Just see if I can get the AFRs corrected, see if I'm reading it right. Hopefully it wasn't a one-time thing, but we'll see. The roads are a little slick, so I don't know if I'm gonna go hard with that, but Alright guys, that wraps it up for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.